Okay, so Adif, you were absent yesterday. Did you check the recorded lectures?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And one more thing, Zephyr and Atif, you have submitted the homework? I guess no, for the determinants.
Sir, I submitted some of the assignments.
Some of the assignments. You have not completed all the assignments. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So please complete that, Atif, okay? Still your exams are going on?
No, sir, they just finished.
Just finished. So please try to complete this week, okay?
Okay, sir.
And same with you, Zephyr. You have not completed the assignments yet? Noma, you have completed the homework of determinants. Okay, all the assignments? Okay. Let me check it again. Okay, so yesterday we have started the, but due was expired, so you were not able to submit all the assignments. Am I correct? Okay, because I was checking the folder and I couldn't find all the assignments. Okay, let me check with the management, but it is complete. Okay, no. Okay, so we have started some questions on reflexive, transitive, and symmetric. So this is the next one. So please try this question, okay? And I will give you 3 minutes for this question because we need to complete some more questions today. So please start this and confirm me when it is done. And if you have a doubt, then please let me know. I already told you yesterday that if you need to prove any equation, any equation is not symmetric, not reflexive, not transitive, then just give a simple example. Okay, and that is fine. So for this, please try this. Okay, I will wait for 3 minutes. Then I will solve this question. Okay, so Amir, Atif, this is correct. Sorry, Atif, you have given the answer as transitive but not reflexive and symmetric. No, it is not symmetric, but it is reflexive. Okay, so we will check this question. So the first part is reflexive. Okay, now please analyze this question. The question is show that the relation R on R. Okay, this R means relation R and this R means real number R. Defined as R is equal to A is less than B is reflect. Okay, is A is less than B. Okay, this is not reflexive. Okay. What we will do, we will change the question like this. A is less than equal to B. Okay. Now we will check this. Reflexive is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay. Maybe there is some typo error. So we have changed this question. This is now A is less than equal to B. And we need to prove that this is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay, so we need to select the number from R. So for this reflexive, we will assume that for any A, belongs to R, this R means real number. Okay, so for any A belongs to R, A is less than equal to A. Okay, if we have the same value, so that value will be equal to. So this sign means less than equal to. Okay, either less than or equal to. So we can say that A is less than equal to A. This implies A comma A belongs to R, hence relation R is reflexive on R. Okay, R means real number. So this is reflexive. Now second one, they're saying that this is not symmetric. So for symmetric, we will just give a simple example. Noma, can you give us an example for this symmetric? Noma, can you give us an example for symmetric? 1 comma 3 3 comma 1, very good, this is correct. Okay, so we can take this example. 1 comma 3 belongs, we will write in this way.
Sir, we can use variables itself to prove that it's not symmetric.
Sorry.
Sir, we can use variables only to prove that it's not symmetric. We don't need like
Yes,
numbers.
whenever you need to prove that it is false, so then just give a simple example. Okay, one example is enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now 1 is less than equal to 3, so 1 comma 3 belongs to R, but 3 is not less than equal to 1, so 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R, hence relation R is not, hence relation R is not symmetric. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Josefa, first and second part is clear. Josefa, first and second part is clear. Okay, so shall we start next? You have done this one. Okay. Third one. Third is we need to prove this is a transitive. So, okay, let A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. So this implies A comma B belongs to R means A is less than equal to B, and this means B is less than equal to C. Okay, now A is less than equal to B, B is less than equal to C. That's why we can say that A is less than equal to C. This implies A comma C belongs to R. Hence the relation R, hence the relation R is transitive. Okay, so if we need to prove that any equation is false, then just give one example, that is enough. Or if we need that this is true, then we need to follow such patterns. So please note down this, confirm me, then we will start next question. We need to complete many questions today. Please complete this one. Please raise your hand once it is done so that we can start the next question. Okay, Atif, good. Huzafa and Noma, please confirm. Okay, Huzafa, great. Noma, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, very good. Okay, now the next question. Next is let S be the set of all points in a plane. Okay, this is a set. For example, in the previous question, the set was real number R. Similarly, here the S is a set of all points in a plane. And R be a relation on S. R is what? It is a relation on S defined as R is equal to PQ. Now, what is the relation given? Distance between P and Q is less than 2 units. P is a point. P is a point means you need to assume 2 points, for example, 1 comma 2. Okay. P and distance between P and Q is less than 2 units. Okay. Show that R is reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Please try this question. Again, I will give you just 3 minutes for this. Please complete this in 3 minutes and let me know. Otherwise, I will solve it. Okay. Okay, Atif, great. So you have proved that not reflexive. No, Atif, it is reflexive. Okay, symmetric. You have proved this. Not transitive. Okay, so Atif, can you give me an example for not transitive?
So I heard you 3 points, right?
Yes, there will be 3 points. 3 points like this. For example, you have 1 point P, next Q, next one is R. So PQ should belongs to the relation. QR should belong. PR should not belongs to the relation.
1 2 1 4 1 6.
1 2 1 4 1 6. So the difference between these two is 2. Good. This is again less than 2 units. So Atif, you need to change these coordinates. Okay, because the distance is 2 units between these two.
Okay, sir. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so the distance between these two is 1. Distance between these two is 1. Distance, this is 2. Very good. This is correct. Good answer. So, I guess everyone has done this. Now we will try this question. Please check here who have a doubt in this. First is reflexive. Okay, check the relation. We have the set S. We have this relation PQ. Distance between P and Q is less than 2 units. Okay, so reflexive means element should be related to itself. So here they have given two different points, P comma Q. If we need to prove that it is reflexive, we will take P comma P. Okay, now we will write let P belongs to S. What is S? Set of all the points. Let P belongs to S. Distance between distance between distance between point P and P is Josefa. Please tell me what is the difference between point P and P? Good. Distance between point P and P is good, Josefa, is 0 units, which is which is which is less than 2 units. Okay, distance between point P and P 0 units, which is less than 2 units. Hence P comma P belongs to R. So relation R is reflexive. Okay, so this was the first one. Josefa, Noma, this is clear. Okay, good. Rishan, you have just joined. So I guess yesterday also you have joined late. Did you check the recorded lectures, Rishan? Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Next is symmetric relation. Okay. Now let P comma Q belongs to R. Okay. So this means that this implies distance between P and Q is less than 2 units. Is less than 2 units. Okay. So we can also say that distance between Q and P is less than 2 units. There's the same thing. Distance between P and Q and Q and P less than 2 units. Okay. So this implies Q comma P belongs to R. Hence relation R is symmetric. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this and confirm me, then we will do the transitive. Okay, then we will do the transitive part. All of you, please note down this one. And Rishan, please confirm me if you have checked the recorded lectures. Okay, Atif, good. Josefa, shall we start next? Noma, Rishan, shall we start next one? Okay, good. Next is transitive. So, Josefa, can you give an example for transitive? Because this is not transitive, it is given in the question. Can you give an example? We will take the same example which Atif has given, like coordinates of point P, Q, and R are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Now, distance between point P and Q. Point P and Q is, okay, if you will find the distance, you will get a 1 unit. Okay. So P comma Q belongs to R. And similarly, we can find QR. QR is equal to what? This is again 1 unit. So Q comma R belongs to R. Now the distance between PR. PR is what? 2 units. Okay. You can apply the distance formula. PR is 2 unit. So PR, P comma R do not belongs to R. Hence relation R is not transitive. This is clear? Atif, Huzefa, Noma. Okay, Atif, you have already done. Huzefa, Noma, Rishan, this clear? Okay. So Noma, in the question, it was already given that prove that this is not transitive. Okay, so we will just give an example. Now, suppose if we have a point P comma Q. Next we have Q comma P. Sorry, Q comma R. These 2 points are related to the relation R. Then as per transitive, P comma R should also belongs to the relation R. But if we have a point P comma R which does not belongs to relation R, we will say that this is not transitive. So we will give an example for this. So we have selected the point P comma Q as this one. Point P is 1 comma 2. Point Q is this one. We have find out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, you can use the distance formula. Subtract these 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square under root. Okay, Noma? Okay, so if you will find the distance, you will get as a, sorry, this is not QR. Okay, yes. So we have find out the distance between P and Q, and this is 1 unit. So P comma Q belongs to R. Similarly, QR means distance between Q and R, which is equal to 1 unit. We will write here distance between Q and R. Okay, QR is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, this is the distance between PR, which is equal to 2 unit. So QR distance is 1 unit. That's why this belongs to the relation R. PR is 2 unit. This will not belongs to the relation R because in the question it was given distance between P and Q should be less than 2 unit, not equal to 2 units. That's why this is not transitive. Okay. So Noma, I can explain this one more time if you have a doubt in this one. Is clear, Noma? Okay, very good. Josefa, this clear? Josefa, this is clear? Josefa, yes or no? Okay. Very good. So please note down this and raise your hand so that we can start the next question. Okay, Josefa, very good. Noma, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, very good. Rishan, please reply me on the chat box, okay? Please try this question. Show that this relation is neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Okay, please try this. I will give you 3 minutes for this. Okay, please complete this. Okay, I guess all of you has tried this question. Okay, so let me solve this. We need to prove it is not reflexive. Okay, first part. Josefa, please give me an example which this relation will not satisfy. Give an example for this, Josefa. A is less than B. 2 comma 2, very good, Josefa. So we will write like this: 2 is not less than equal to 2 square. Okay, so 2 is not less than equal to 4. Hence, 2 comma 2 does not belongs to this relation R, so it is not reflexive. So it is not reflexive. Okay, very good. Next is symmetric. Noma. Noma, can you give an example? 4 is A is sorry. we will take some other example, okay? Because this do not this satisfy the equation 2 is less than equal to 4, okay? Any other example? For example, if we will take like this, 1 by 2 is not less than equal to 1 by 2 square. So that means 1 by 2 is not less than equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 is 0.5, and 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 0.5 is not less than 0.25. Okay, so we can say here this one 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 does not belongs to relation R, so it is not reflexive. Okay, sorry, this example was not correct. Josefa, this is clear now? Josefa, this is clear? Josefa, Josefa, yes or no?
So 0.25 is lesser than 0.5, right?
0.25, 0.5 is not less than 0.5 and 0.25. Which one
Okay,
is less?
okay.
Okay. Josefa, this is clear. Shall we start next? Okay, very good. Symmetric. Noma, can you give an example for symmetric? One by two and 1/3. Okay, so Noma, shall we take a very simple example, 1 comma 3? Okay. For symmetric, we will just take a very simple example. For example, 1 is less than equal to 3 square. So this means 1 comma 3 belongs to relation R. Okay. Now 3 is not less than equal to 1 square. Okay, so that means 3 comma 1 do not belongs to relation R, hence it is not symmetric. Hence it is not symmetric. Okay, Zephyr, this is clear? Zephyr, this is clear? Okay, very good. Noma, Atif, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so please note down this, then we will do the transitive. So now our next is transitive. Okay, what the equation we have, A is less than equal to B square. And this is the equation, A is less than equal to B square. Anyone can give an example for this? Okay, then I will give you this. Let 2 comma minus 3 belongs to R and minus 3 comma minus 1 belongs to R. Okay, we will show this. 2 is less than equal to minus 3 square. Okay, and minus 3 is less than equal to minus 1 square. But 2 comma minus 1 Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so these two belongs to the relation R. Now if you will check 2 and minus 1, 2 is not less than equal to minus 1 square. This is not equal, sorry, this is not less than equal to minus 1 square. So 2 comma minus 1 does not belongs to relation R. Hence it is not. Hence it is not. It is not transitive. Okay, so Josefa, Noma, Atif, this is clear. Transitive part.
Yes.
Okay, Josefa, this clear. Okay, very good. So please note down this, confirm me. Then we will start the next question. Please raise your hands if this is done. Then we will start the next question. Okay, Josefa, this is done. Risha. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is a very different type of question. Let A is equal to this, then show that number of relation containing 1, 2, 2, and 3, which are reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric is 3. Okay, please try this. I will give you the hint for this one. Okay, then please try this. Let A is equal to this one. A is this set. Then show that number of relations containing 1, 2, and 2, 3, which are reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric is 3. So what is mean by this? We need to form relations. We have this set. We need to form the relations. Okay. So before that, please tell me what is the Cartesian product of this? Josefa, please tell me the Cartesian product. You can unmute yourself. Okay, Josefa. Josefa, only this is the Cartesian product. No, Josefa, this is not correct. How we find the Cartesian product? Anyone else? Atif, can you tell me the Cartesian product of this? A cross A?
1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3.
Yes, very good. 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 3 1 3 2 3 3. Okay, Josefa, this is clear. You need to select one element from this set and second also from the same set. So 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 1 2 3 3 1 2 3. This is clear, Josefa? Okay, very good. So this is a Cartesian product. Now we need to form a relation. Okay, we need to form a relation. I will just give you the hint. The rest of the question you will do on your own. Then show that the number of relations containing 1, 2, and 2, 3. Okay, so your relation must contain these two terms. Your relation must contain these two terms. Now your relation should be reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay, so first of all, we will form a reflexive relation. So reflexive means we must have 1, 1, we must have 2, 2, and we must have 3, 3. Then they are saying these two are compulsory. 1, 2 and 2, 3. This is compulsory. Okay, now further what they are saying, it should be reflexive, which we have already done. They are saying this should be transitive also. So this is fine with this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's okay. But if you will check this one 1, 2, 2, 3, then for transitive we need one more ordered pair, which is 1, 3. Now this example is perfect. This is reflexive, this is transitive, okay, and this is not symmetric. This is not symmetric, okay, because 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is not here. Similarly, 2, 3 is there, 3, 2 is not here. So one of the example I have given you, this one. Okay. Now, what we have done, we have chosen this one. We have chosen this one. We have chosen this one, 3, 3. Then we have this question is from NCERT example. Okay, 1, 2, and this is 2, 3, and we have chosen 1, 3. So out of these ordered pairs, we have selected these ones. So I will mark what is remaining now. This one, this part is remaining. Okay, next is this is remaining, and this one is remaining. So 3 are remaining. Now you need to okay. So you always need these 3 elements. You always need this one, and you also need this one. Okay, these should be fixed. Now from the remaining one, this 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, please add these ordered pair in this relation and try to find out how many relations can you find from this. So I've give you a hint. Now I will give you 3 minutes. So please complete this question in 3 minutes. Okay. Noma, how it is transitive? Noma, please check this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This will not. Is there any one? So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Normally these 3 are not participating for transitive. Now these 2 will participate for transitive. So 1, 2, 2, 3 is there. So if we will take 2, 2, then rest is 1, 3, which you have added over here. Even if you will take this one. Okay, I guess there is any element which is missing here. Just give me a minute. So from this point of view, this is okay. Okay. Now, if you will check this 3, 3 and 2, 3. Okay. Then for this one, Noma, you need 2, 3, which is already present. So Noma, is there any element which do not follow the property of transitive here? Okay, all of you. So I have given you the hint. So please complete this and let me know the answer. Okay. Okay, Atif, I got your message. There is only one possible relation, that is reflexive and symmetric, but not transitive. Okay. Okay, so we will mark this as R1. This is R1, okay. Let me check Atif this one, R2. So what we need 1, 1. Now these three ordered pairs are remaining. Okay, these three are remaining. Now we will check that in how many ways we can use this so that we will get a different relation. So these are fixed, these are required, 3, 3, okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, okay, and 1, 3. This is required here. Now, if we will add this 2, 1, if we will add here 2, 1, then what will happen? This is 2, 3. 3, 2 is not there, so that is fine. So if we will add this 2, 1, then Atif, then also this remain the reflexive, transitive, and not symmetric. This is correct, Atif? If we will analyze this one, if we will add 2,
1,
1,
2, 2, 1 is there.
yeah, that's okay. But we have this 2, 3, but 3, 2 is not here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so another example is this R2. Now please find one more relation, all of you. Please find one more. I know this is a difficult question. This is from the miscellaneous example. Okay, so this is a difficult question, but please try to do this. So two relation I have found out. Please find the third relation. We have used this one, 2, 1. Now please try to use the rest of the two. Okay, Atif, I will explain this. So please check here. This is R2. Okay, now for R3. R3, what we will do, again, this will remain the same, 1 comma 1. So we have also used this one, 2 comma 1. Now these two are left. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, okay, then 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3. So this is fixed. We can't change this one. Now the next option is, what happen if we will add 3 2? I will change the, just give me a minute. So these two are left, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Now what will happen if we will add this one, 3 comma 1 here? Okay. Now 3 comma 1 is here, so this becomes symmetric, but this is also there, so that is fine. Now for this 1 comma 3, please check this one, this part, 3 comma 3 and 1 comma 3. Okay, this is already there. We have this one, 3 comma 1. Okay. Okay, so we have this 2 comma 3. Here we have 3 comma 1. If we will check these two, then now this is not transitive. If we need to make this transitive, then what will happen? We need 2 comma 1. So if we will add this 2 comma 1 over here, this 2 comma 1 here will, if we will add over here, then this become what? Symmetric. So that's why what we will do, we will use 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2 here. Okay, so the third relation we will get is this one, 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2. So in the third relation, we need to use these two ordered pairs simultaneously. Okay, we will use these two pairs simultaneously. Otherwise, this will not become the transitive. So that's why we have these three relations, R1, R2, and R3. So this is quite typical. That's why this was given in the example of miscellaneous. So please note down this and please try to again check this question. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then we will again discuss this. So in this case, only three relations will be formed. We can't use only one single relation, 3 comma 1. We need the second order pair also, 3 comma 2 in this case. Okay. So please note down this. I know most of you have confusion in this, but please try to analyze this again. Okay. And we can discuss this again after the class if you still have the doubt. Please let me know once you noted, once you have completed this so that we can start the next question. Okay, Atif. Josefa, Noma, Rishan, please confirm if this is done. Then we will start the next question. Okay, good. Now next one. Next is, okay, so this is question based on equivalence relation. Josefa, can you tell me what is the equivalence relation? Josefa, can you tell me what is an equivalence relation? Symmetric, transitive, and reflexive. Very good. Okay, so if a relation is symmetric, transitive, and reflexive, then we will say that this is a equivalence relation. So please prove that line L1 is parallel to line L2 is equivalence relation. Please try this. I will give you 3 minutes again for this question. I hope everyone has done this. Okay, then we'll check this one first. Reflexive. Okay, so we can write every line is parallel to itself. Every line is parallel to itself. Okay, just give me a minute. So this implies L comma L belongs to R, hence relation R is reflexive. Okay, every line is parallel to itself, so that means L comma L belongs to R, hence relation R is reflexive. Second one. Second is symmetric. Okay. Now L1 comma L2 belongs to R. So what does this mean? L1 is parallel to to L2. Now this also means that L2 is parallel to L1. Okay. So this guys L2 comma L1 belongs to R. Hence it is symmetric. Okay. So Huzefa, Atif, Numa, these two are clear, reflexive and symmetric.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Huzefa, Numa, this clear? Okay, good. Huzefa, very good. So please note down this, then we will do the third part. Please note down this one. Please let me know once it is done so that we can start the third part. This is done. Shall we start next? I hope you all have completed this. So I'm going to just start the third part. Third is transitive. Okay, so let L1 comma L2 belongs to R and L2 comma L3 belongs to R. So this means L1 is parallel to L2 and L2 is parallel to L1 is parallel to L1. Is parallel to L1. Okay, so this implies L1 is parallel to L3 is parallel to
Sir, L2 is parallel to L3.
sorry, L2 is parallel to L3. L1 is parallel to L3. So this implies L1 comma L3 belongs to R. Hence, R is transitive. R is transitive. Okay. This is clear. Atif, Huzefa, Noma, this clear? And Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Okay. if you have a doubt in this one. Okay, so good. Noma, this clear? Okay, very good. So today you have a test of determinant, subjective test. So we will close this topic here. In the next class, we will continue the questions. Okay. This week, please try to solve assignment 1 from the relation and functions. Okay. Please solve the assignment 1 for the relation and function. And if you do not done the homework of determinant, then please complete this week and revise all these topics. Okay, so I'm just sharing again my screen. So please try to solve the questions and upload it today. Okay, just give me. Okay, so all of you, this is your today's paper. Okay, we will upload this on your portal after today's test. So right now, please complete this one. Okay, so Rishan, if you wish, you can drop. Okay, because you have not completed the determinants. Atif, Huzefa, and Noma, please complete this. Oh, okay, Noma. I will. So I will show you all the questions here. This is first, this second question, third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. So in question fifth, equation is missing that I will upload it just right now. In the meantime, please do the rest of the questions. Okay. Please let me know if anyone of you wish to check the rest of the questions. Okay. First of all, please note first question and then solve it. Okay. I'm sorry, in the third question, there was some typo error. So I've just done the correction. So please check this while you are solving the question number 3. All of you, after the test, please share your test sheet with the on the official number. Okay, on the same number from which you get the